Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the process of knowing input tax credit or ITC at risk in transactions with a party using the Ledger Vouchers GST report in TallyPrime. The Ledger Vouchers report in TallyPrime Release 5.0 comes up with a facility to view the GST status of vouchers along with the difference in the amount. If you don't maintain ledgers billwise, then this helps you to know the ITC at risk for each voucher. Therefore, you can take a data-driven business decisions when you make payment to your seller. Let's see how to know ITC at risk using the Ledger Vouchers GST report. Press Alt-G. Type or select Ledger Vouchers GST and press Enter. Select your supplier ledger. Press F2 to change the period if needed. The report displays voucher amount, difference in tax amount, and balance after deducting ITC at risk. Difference in tax amount is available at voucher as well as party level. With the difference in tax amount, you know the ITC at risk. Therefore, you can choose to address the discrepancy with the seller or pay the balance after deducting the difference in tax amount. Now, if you need to know how the difference in the amount is calculated, you can view GST info. Press F7. You get to know the amount in books and that on the GST portal. Press Escape to go back to the report. Now, if you want to know more about the difference between the amount in books and the downloaded voucher, then go to the GST portal view of the voucher uploaded by the seller. Press Alt-W. Press F8 to show the portal values. This enables you to view the values in the books and that on the portal. Therefore, you will know the source of mismatch. Moreover, you also get to know the tax type breakup along with the rates and amounts. Now, press F9 to view the report in the differential mode. You get to know the differences in amount as applicable. Press Escape and you will be back to the report. Now, for the unreconciled transactions, you might want to address the discrepancies to your supplier by sending emails or WhatsApp messages. Let's see how to filter the report to view the unreconciled transactions with the statuses mismatched and available only in books. Press Ctrl F to apply filter. Press F7 for advanced filter. Let's filter it for vouchers having GST status as mismatched and available only in books. Press Ctrl A to apply the filter to the report. You can see the transactions with the GST status as mismatched and available only in books. You can then send an email or a WhatsApp message to your supplier and address the discrepancies. As you saw, the facility to view ledger vouchers from GST perspective helps you know the ITC at risk. Therefore, you can take an informed decision while making payments against each voucher and reconcile transactions accordingly. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.